Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will explain how to create bulk posts for our page. To do that, we will need Canva Pro. We'll create the new design, customize design size 180 and 1350. We'll look for recipes, to look for ready templates to use. You can choose from here ready templates, or you can choose a template on Facebook. We'll choose this one. We will resize the image. We'll change the font, make it to a font more clear than this. We will use this one. We'll make it fit here. Then we will drag the image more than this, like this. We'll expand it a little also here. This way we use images to avoid copyright issues with Facebook, so we can use somebody else's pictures. Now I can see that that's the best template we have on Canva, so we'll keep it. Now we'll go to our Google Sheet where we scrape informations from our competitor Facebook. We will add extensions here. We will add the script to make pictures display on our sheet. I will leave you the script with this video to use it. I will copy it from here. I will go back. I will delete everything. I will paste it here. I will save it from this button. And now I will run the script to make all. I will ask Google permission to do that. Advanced, go, and allow the script to work from here. As you can see, the script is running right now and displaying our pictures on our Google Sheet. It will take a moment. I used 30 posts on this sheet, but you can use 200 posts in one time if you want. To make the most posts you can on one single time. I used only 30 posts just to make the video short, to demonstrate how it works. But you can do this operation again and again. As you can see, we have the pictures displayed now on our Google Sheet. Now we will modify our content here. We will leave only the recipe title, and we will delete everything comes after it one by one. We will keep only the recipe title. There is many ways to do this, but it's how I do it. I keep only the recipe title. You can see on Facebook people using the 3 first ingredients on the template too, but I don't do that. I use only the title of the recipe. So I will delete everything comes after the title in this way. We'll keep doing this until we finish our sheet one by one. This is the easiest way to create bulk posts, and you can create 200 posts in just 10 minutes. Because if you are running more than one page, it's gonna be hard for you to create 24 posts on each page. So we need to use some tricks and tools to make us create content for many pages at once. Of course, there is many ways to scale this business too, by hiring virtual assistants that they can create content for you and even posts on the page. But if you are just a beginner, this is how you should do things, and to minimize your charges at the beginning, just follow this course step by step and you will make a decent money by the end of this course. I will delete the last one. Now we are ready, so we will go to File, Download. I will download as an Excel from here, and we will go back to Canva. We will add an effect on this title first to make it clear. We'll choose this one and we'll choose black. I'll adjust it a little. Then we will go to bulk create, upload data, and we will upload our Excel. We'll change F to G here. We'll keep everything and press on continue. Then we will connect data on our posts. We will connect the image first. Then we will create the title with the content. Now everything is set, and here where it happens the magic, we'll create 30 posts in one time. As you can see, we need just to adjust the title on each image. I use this template just to demonstrate you how this should be done. You can create your own template as you want with your own colors. You can put your logo of the name of your page too if you want, and we use it to make our page branded and to prevent people from taking our posts. We'll adjust all the posts one by one. You can see we chose from the beginning very good quality images. That makes our job easy to create high quality posts. And as I said, you can create 200 posts in one time. Now we finish all the posts. We download our images from here. Download. Takes a little of time. Now we have our posts on our drive. We will open the folder, and as you can see, here we are, all the posts ready to use, and I will show you in the next video how to use automation to post. This was all in this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you.